In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your settings in DaVinci Resolve for enhanced performance and smoother operation. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting, streamlining these settings can make a noticeable difference in your workflow. First off, let's locate DaVinci Resolve on your computer and open the program. Once you've started the software, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll find the DaVinci Resolve menu there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll see the option labeled Preferences. Go ahead and click on this to enter the Preferences section of DaVinci Resolve. This is where we'll adjust some configurations to improve how the software runs on your system. Now that we're in the Preferences menu, take a look at the different tabs available. We're interested in the Memory and GPU tab, so click on it. This section of the Preferences is crucial because it controls how your computer's hardware is utilized by DaVinci Resolve. We want to make sure the software is using your system's resources as effectively as possible, especially the graphics processing unit or GPU. Once you're in the Memory and GPU section, you'll see a category called GPU Configuration. Right next to that label, you'll notice the option for GPU processing mode. By default, it might be set to Auto. However, for better control and potentially improved performance, we're going to change the setting. Uncheck the auto option, and you'll be given a choice to select a manual option instead. Among the available choices, select OpenCL. This setting can sometimes offer better performance depending on your specific hardware, especially if you're working with a compatible GPU. By manually selecting OpenCL, you are instructing DaVinci Resolve to utilize a particular type of processing that might handle tasks more efficiently on your system. And just like that, with those few changes, you've optimized the settings in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple but effective tweak that can help ensure smoother operation and potentially faster processing times when you're working on your video projects. This adjustment might not seem groundbreaking, but even small enhancements can add up over long editing sessions, saving you precious time and reducing frustration. If you found this guide helpful, remember that small changes in how we configure our software can lead to significant improvements in our daily workflow. So feel free to explore other settings and see what other optimizations you can make tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tip enhances your experience with DaVinci Resolve. Happy editing!